Hey homeowner, we buy houses.
We buy houses as is.
We are local home buyer in your area. If you're running late on your mortgage, tax, insurance payments, if you need to sell your property as soon as possible, if you even have difficulties because of sickness, job loss, you need to downsize, you have to move out of city, out of province, even out of country, and you have a property that you must sell, here you are at the right place. We buy properties as is for cash. Now, here's what you need to do. Go to our website www.adolphpropertyinvest.com. Select We Buy Houses. And there you will have a short form to fill out so that we can help you to buy your property from you as soon as possible. Or even more, call us at 780-909-4912. We're looking for to help you. Contact us today. You have the offer submitted to you pretty soon.